In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade directly on Tradingview desktop. Start by opening your Tradingview desktop app and pulling up the chart you want to trade. Make sure you are on the correct symbol and time frame so your order reflects the market you intend to trade. Next, open the trading panel at the bottom of the app. This is where you connect a broker or choose paper trading. Select your broker from the list, then log in following the prompts. If you want to practice without risking real money, choose paper trading to use virtual funds. After connecting, check that your status shows as connected and that your account balance is visible. That confirms you are ready to place orders. To open the order panel, you have a few easy options. You can click the buy or sell buttons in the top left corner of the chart for a quick ticket tied to the current symbol. You can also right-click directly on the chart, choose Trade, and then create New Order, which anchors the order at the price you clicked. Or, click the small plus icon on the price axis to drop an order near that price level. All three paths open the same order panel. Use whichever feels most natural while you are analyzing the chart. Now set your order parameters. Choose the order type. Market executes immediately at the best available price. Limit lets you specify a better price and waits there. And stop triggers once price reaches your stop level, often for breakouts or stops. Enter your quantity and pay attention to the units shown: contracts, lots, or shares depending on your market and broker. Optionally, set a take profit and a stop loss. These levels help you define your exit targets and manage risk up front. You'll see the estimated prices and potential outcomes reflected on the chart or ticket so you can double fact-check before sending. When everything looks good, click buy or sell to execute. Your working order or open position will appear directly on the chart with clear price lines. You can adjust your TP or SL by clicking and dragging those lines to fine-tune your levels. If you are using paper trading, you can also drag the boxes on the chart to quickly move entries or exits. Keep an eye on the trading panel to see your orders and positions update in real time. To close the position, click the X on the position line right on the chart. Alternatively, open the trading panel, go to the Positions tab, and close it from there. That's it. Thanks for watching.